How you guys doing? You may not know me. Mark Morris, 52, 17 years worth of retirement. Thought I would be making $2,000 to $3,000 extra a month, but due to COVID, reduced to I was going to be making $20,000 to $30,000 a year, reduced to $2,000 to $3,000 because of COVID. Just got back from the gym today. Man, you get 52, man. Trying to get in shape. You're like, fuck, man. The guy was pushing me down on the machine. I'm like, bro, I know I'm black and you think I'm an excellent athlete, but bro, I'm 52, man. Saw this one cute girl, like, make all the guys jealous. Hi. Do the hi. Who knows the hi? Do the hi. How many of you guys are students doing your Zoom learning, man? Go practice hi. The Zoom learning. How many of you guys are retired? Thought you'd be making $30,000, $50,000 a year in income. COVID knocked it down to $10,000 to $15,000. That's why I started the 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group, because my income got knocked down. And how many of you hate sales, man? I hate sales. Sales drives me crazy, man. But what is everyone? We'll talk about that later. But sales, I know you guys hate sales, but you got to learn how to sell, man. The people who sell are going to be the ones who survive, because basically you've learned from You've learned from the COVID. Compton College down in Compton, California is basically the same as a school in Duke. You guys all just do Zoom learning. What is Zoom learning, man? People are paying $50,000 to do Zoom learning. Is that crazy to you guys, man? Might as well be in Compton College, where you can have a lady who just got out of her car vaping. You guys like to do that, man? Like to wake my ass up in the morning. Only this poor generation, man. That's why you got to learn how to sell, because some people, they just ain't going to make it, man. A lot of people ain't going to make it. You thought the suicide rate was going up during COVID. You ain't seen shit yet. People going to be just blowing their head off, man. It's crazy, man. Because you know why? Because they don't know independence. The only way to be independent is you got to know how to sell. Got to know how to handle the no. Even I hate sales. I'm an engineer, but I got to do it. I got 25 years in sales. Worked for Target, Petavina Mold and Die. I've sold springs door to door, toys door to door. I've sold phone answering machines. I've sold guns. I sold guns at gun shows. I've worked at Macy's. I sold purses. I've sold dresses. I've sold women's underwear. The only place that I haven't really got a job at is at a porn store, man. That's my lifetime goal. I want to work in a porn store, man. I just want to see what goes on if you work in a porn store. I had an interview recently, didn't get the job, man. I was too smart, man. Plus, she told me, she said the homeless, they throw them out. I got a black belt. Hi-ya! I get rid of the homeless. They come in there, bah, bah, bah. Like the cops. Take them out, man. She pull a gun on me, I'll whoop his ass. You better shoot. You better shoot me, man. I'm like them on them crazy brothers. You better shoot. You better shoot me, motherfucker. You better fucking shoot me. I'll be like the army of the dead zombie. So, today, just talking. How many of you guys went to the gym this morning? How many of you guys worked at a personal trainer? Even the personal trainers have to sell, man. It's all about selling, man. That's all it is now. No one cares about how smart you are. I don't care about the car you drive. Because if you can't sell, I have to lay you off, man. Someone's got to sell something. That's why I want you guys to buy 50 of my Grant Cardone Closer Survival books. I want to create an army of sales. Instead of having an army of darkness, we need an army of salespeople, man. I'm in California. You got 10 to 15 million people out of work. We don't need an army of zombies. We need an army of salespeople making people make decisions to buy products so we all can keep this economy going. And that's why I started the 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group Club. Part of that program is like we use the skills learned from Undercover Billionaire Comeback City, Undercover Billionaire Season 1, Undercover Billionaire Season 2. And the focus is that we take those skills that they're using to build a business in 90 days, we take them and say, hey, can we help them in our own workplace? Can they help us in our own house? Can they help us like deal with people? Can they help me get an apartment? Can they help me get a better rate on a loan? What can they help me get? So that's why I want you guys to join the 666 Undercover Billionaire Study Group. You got $6, $60, $600, $6,000 program options, man. Or do you want to invest in yourself? If you don't want to do that, I have my $75, $125, $275 programs to help you pay off your car loan. I'm selling the Grant Cardone Closer Survival book for $50. I'm just trying to find a way to bring money to help you guys out, man. I want you to look at me as a person who helps you. And look at me as your brother. I'm your black brother. Your black brother who just wants you to make money so you can help your mother. If you don't want to help your mother, help your wife. Help your girlfriend. Instead of taking your girlfriend or something out to eat, get her something, man. Like Mother's Day, taking your wife out to eat, man. Ain't she fat enough? Girlfriend out to eat. Ain't they fat enough after quarantine? Now go buy a Gucci purse, go buy a little skirt, buy her some red bottoms. Now you say, okay, that she can stay. And then on top of it, you guys take her out, take her out to Taco Bell. But take you to Taco Bell, take you to Los Consuelos, taking her to these cheap ass taqueria places. If you're gonna take her somewhere, take your ass to Beverly Hills or Santa Monica, find the highest priced Mexican food that you can find. Then I say, okay, I can handle that. Then she should say, okay, I'll stay with you, man. But I'm gonna bring you a close of the day soon. But I got back from the gym, so I'm a little bit hyper. Guy got crushed. Brother got broken down, so I'm like hurting right now. I'm heading to the office. There's a little conflict I gotta solve. We telecommute now, but my goal is I want to see if we can't connect with 1 million people. We want to sell 1 million Grant Cardone Closer Survival books. That is our focus. We want people to sell. We need restaurants, appliance stores, auto repair stores. You need to make these sales. You can't have these people leaving your business. I'm going to think about it. You can't let them think about it, man. Make them make the sale. All right, you guys. I'll be back to you later on. What'd you get from this right now? You think I was rambling too much? Personal trainer broke me down? Yeah, he did break me down. I'm tired. And then I had to do the colon. Who did the colon stuff? I did the colon thing. So I got to drop it off here too. So it's been a long 24 hours. All right. I'll get back to you later.